August 13th, this Tuesday, I am doing water fasting. If you want to join, please do join. We will have a question answer session and lot more. Egg shakshuka is a wonderful breakfast recipe, but what I am making is super healthy. This is nature's bounty shakshuka. All the fresh ingredients from my garden. Of course, eggs are a must, but we are going to spice it Indian flavored to make it absolutely boomba boomba. Everybody wants to eat like a king, but wants to poop like a princess. Yes, I've got an answer for that. Boomba boomba, papaya and guava. Eat once in a day and you will poop like a princess. For this recipe, add butter and some garlic. Ding dong. We're going to add some green chili, some chopped onion. You can add any of your favorite vegetables. You can add carrot, potatoes, whatever. But here I've got cucumber, I've got sponge gourd. Also I've got some fresh spinach. I also have some eggplant which I cut really small. They oxidized a little bit. Add some salt. The shakshuka tomato puree. You add your favorite spice. You want chana masala, you want rasam powder, you want sambar powder, whichever your favorite spice. Mix herbs and some crushed pepper. If you have stock, you can add stock, or else you can add some water and bring this to a nice boil. Look at it. Nice, beautiful, saucy. Now in this, drop in eggs. 2, 3. Add some crushed pepper, farm fresh cilantro, the coriander. Reduce the flame. Look at the sizzling. Look at this wonderful nature's bounty shakshuka. Lot of vegetables and egg and the aroma. The spice you want. Mamma mia! Wow! Look at this. This is like taking my taste buds to a spa. Getting a good massage, a facial and a good dose of vitamins. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. This is nature's bounty. The eggs, the spinach and lot of masti, maza, fun. Hot, hot, hot. Not the spicy hot, the real hot, hot. If you have any questions regarding water fasting, please ask them in the comments. I'll definitely answer in my next video. Meanwhile, keep saying absolutely boomba boomba.